Did you know that the average American spends over $3,000 a year just on eating out? That's a lot of burritos and lattes, folks. But here's the good news. Making your favorite snacks at home is not only cheaper, but also way more satisfying. Today, we're diving into 8 super easy snacks you can whip up at home, even if your culinary skills max out at boiling water. First up, the ultimate no-brainer snack, peanut butter banana bites. We're talking 2 ingredients, folks, unless you want to get fancy with it. Grab yourself a banana. You know, the ones that have been sitting on your counter staring at you, begging to be eaten before they turn into banana bread. Slice that baby up, and here's where the magic happens. Take a dollop of your favorite peanut butter, crunchy, creamy, almond butter, whatever your heart desires, and sandwich it between 2 banana slices. Pop those babies in the freezer for an hour, and bam! You've got yourself a refreshing, delicious snack. Pro tip, sprinkle a little sea salt on top before freezing for that sweet and salty thing we all love. Oh, and if you're feeling extra, a sprinkle of crushed nuts or mini chocolate chips never hurt nobody. Yes, you heard that right. Pizza, in a mug, in 1 minute. Don't act like you're not impressed. This is the kind of culinary sorcery that will change your snack game forever. We're talking a few simple ingredients you probably already have in your pantry. Mix some flour, baking powder, a pinch of salt, a splash of milk, and a drizzle of olive oil. EVOO, as we say in the biz. Now press that doughy goodness into the bottom of a mug. Next, it's topping time. Spoon on some marinara sauce. Homemade or store-bought, no judgment here. Sprinkle on a generous amount of mozzarella cheese because, let's be honest, cheese is life. And then go wild with your favorite toppings. Pepperoni, mushrooms, onions, peppers, the possibilities are endless. Microwave it for about a minute or until the cheese is melted and bubbly, and boom, instant happiness. Warning, mug gets hot. Don't be the hero who grabs it without a pot holder and learns a painful life lesson. But seriously, let it cool for a minute before you dig in. Popcorn isn't just for movies anymore, it's snack royalty. Forget those overpriced bags at the concession stand. You can make your own popcorn at home with just 2 ingredients, popcorn kernels and a paper bag. Toss a 1/4 cup of kernels into a brown paper lunch bag, fold the top over a couple of times to seal it up tight, and pop it in the microwave for a couple of minutes, or until you hear those satisfying pops slow down. Fun fact, store-bought microwave popcorn often has weird additives. DIY is 100% popcorn, 0% mystery powder. Now here's where you can get creative. Drizzle with melted butter, sprinkle on some salt and pepper, or go gourmet with Parmesan cheese and herbs. Let's talk about Greek yogurt, folks. It's creamy, it's tangy, it's packed with protein, and it's the perfect base for a quick and healthy snack. We're making a Greek yogurt parfait, and it's so easy, you can practically do it with your eyes closed. Grab your favorite glass. You know, the tall, fancy ones you save for special occasions. Every day is a special occasion. And start layering. First up, a generous scoop of Greek yogurt, plain or vanilla, your call. Then, a handful of fresh berries, strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, whatever you've got on hand. Finally, a sprinkle of granola for that satisfying crunch. Great protein boost, super customizable, and way prettier than another sad bag of chips. Yes, avocado toast. I know what you're thinking. It's everywhere these days. But trust me, folks, this isn't your average avocado toast. Start with a slice of your favorite bread, toasted to perfection, of course. While it's still warm, grab a ripe avocado and mash it up with a fork. Add a squeeze of lemon juice to keep it from browning, a pinch of salt and pepper, and a sprinkle of chili flakes for a little kick. Spread that creamy goodness onto your toast. Now, for the piece de resistance, a soft-boiled egg. The runny yolk adds a richness and flavor that will blow your mind. Listen, I get it. Sometimes you need a snack that's quick, easy, and portable. That's where these energy balls come in. They're like little bites of happiness that you can take with you on the go. Grab a mixing bowl and toss in some rolled oats, your favorite nut butter, peanut butter, almond butter, cashew butter. The world is your oyster. A drizzle of honey or maple syrup for sweetness, and any other mix-ins your heart desires. Roll the mixture into bite-sized balls, place them on a parchment-lined baking sheet, and pop them in the freezer for about 30 minutes to firm up. And that's it. You've got yourself a batch of energy balls that are perfect for a quick snack or a pre-workout energy boost. Cucumber sandwiches might sound a little, dare I say, dainty, but trust me, these little bites are refreshing, flavorful, and surprisingly satisfying. Plus, they're incredibly easy to make. Grab a cucumber. English cucumbers work best for this because they have thinner skin and fewer seeds, and slice it up into thin rounds. Now spread a dollop of cream cheese onto each slice. You can use plain cream cheese or get fancy with herb and garlic cream cheese. Top each cucumber round with a sprig of fresh dill. It adds a lovely fresh flavor that pairs perfectly with the cucumber and cream cheese. Perfect when you want a snack that's healthy, but doesn't feel like punishment. Let's be honest, who doesn't love a good quesadilla? They're cheesy, they're satisfying, and they're incredibly versatile. But sometimes you don't want to commit to a whole quesadilla. That's where these cheesy quesadilla bites come in. Grab a tortilla flour or corn, your choice, and sprinkle a generous amount of shredded cheese over half of it. Fold the tortilla in half, pressing down lightly to seal the edges. Now, heat a drizzle of oil in a non-stick skillet over medium heat. Cook the quesadilla for a couple of minutes per side, or until the tortilla is golden brown and the cheese is melted and gooey. Slice the quesadilla into triangles and serve immediately with your favorite dipping sauces. Salsa, guacamole, sour cream. The possibilities are endless. And there you have it. 8 super easy, ridiculously tasty snacks you can make without breaking the bank, or breaking a sweat. Remember, making food at home isn't just about saving money. It's about having fun, getting creative, and knowing exactly what's going into your body. So tell me, which snack are you trying first? Drop it down in the comments. I'd love to hear if you're Team Peanut Butter Banana or Team Mug Pizza. Stay tuned for next week's video where we're tackling 5-minute breakfast hacks, because mornings are hard enough already. Chapter 11, DIY Trail Mix. Customize your snack. Gap 3S. Now, before you go, I've got one more quick and easy snack idea that you can totally make your own. DIY Trail Mix. This is the ultimate customizable snack. You can mix and match your favorite nuts, seeds, dried fruits, and even a little bit of chocolate for a treat that's uniquely you. First, let's start with the base. Grab a handful of your favorite nuts, almonds, cashews, walnuts, or peanuts. Next, add some dried fruits like raisins, cranberries, or chopped apricots. For a little crunch, throw in some seeds. Pumpkin seeds or sunflower seeds work great. And if you're feeling a bit indulgent, toss in a handful of dark chocolate chips or M&Ms, mix it all together in a big bowl, and voila! You've got yourself a delicious, nutritious snack that's perfect for on-the-go movie nights or just when you need a quick pick-me-up. The best part about DIY Trail Mix is that you can make it in big batches and store it in an airtight container for whenever the snack attack hits. Plus, it's a great way to get creative and experiment with different flavors and textures. So, what are you waiting for? Get mixing and make your perfect trail mix combo. And don't forget to share your favorite combinations in the comments below. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Thanks for watching, and see you next time for more tasty and easy recipes. Now, for our final snack idea, let's dive into something cool and refreshing. Frozen yogurt bark. This treat is perfect for those hot days when you need a quick and healthy cool down. First, grab a baking sheet and line it with parchment paper. Then, spread a thick layer of your favorite Greek yogurt across the sheet. You can use plain yogurt or go for a flavored one if you want an extra kick. Next, it's time to get creative with toppings. You can add fresh fruit like sliced strawberries, blueberries, or kiwi. For a bit of crunch, sprinkle on some granola or chopped nuts. And if you have a sweet tooth, a few dark chocolate chips or a drizzle of honey won't hurt. Once your yogurt is beautifully decorated, pop the baking sheet into the freezer for about 2-3 hours or until the yogurt is completely frozen. When it's ready, break the bark into pieces and enjoy this cool, creamy, and delicious snack. The best part? You can store the frozen yogurt bark in an airtight container in the freezer and have a refreshing treat ready anytime. It's perfect for a healthy dessert, a midday snack, or even breakfast on the go. So go ahead, give it a try, and let me know in the comments how you customized your frozen yogurt bark. Thanks for tuning in, and see you next time for more quick and easy snacks. Welcome back, snack enthusiasts! For our final crunchy delight, let's explore the world of veggie chips, a healthy and satisfying alternative to traditional potato chips. These are perfect for those moments when you crave something crunchy but want to keep it nutritious. First, pick your favorite veggies. Some great options include kale, sweet potatoes, beets, and zucchini. Wash and dry them thoroughly. For leafy greens like kale, remove the stems and tear the leaves into bite-sized pieces. For root vegetables, slice them thinly, using a mandolin or a sharp knife for that perfect chip texture. Next, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. In a large bowl, toss your veggies with a light drizzle of olive oil, just enough to coat them evenly. Season with a sprinkle of sea salt, and if you're feeling adventurous, add a pinch of paprika, garlic powder, or your favorite herbs for extra flavor. Spread the veggies in a single layer on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Make sure there's enough space between the pieces so they can crisp up nicely. Pop them in the oven and bake for about 10-20 minutes, keeping a close eye on them to prevent burning. The exact time will depend on the type and thickness of your veggies. Once they're golden and crispy, take them out and let them cool slightly. Then, dig in and enjoy your homemade veggie chips. These are perfect for snacking on their own or pairing with your favorite dip. Plus, they're a great way to sneak in some extra veggies into your diet. So there you have it, a crunchy, healthy snack that's as fun to make as it is to eat. Let me know in the comments which veggies you used and how they turned out. Thanks for joining me on this snack adventure, and see you next time for more delicious ideas. Welcome back, snack enthusiasts! Our next snack is perfect for those moments when you want something fun, fancy, and super easy to make. Fruit and cheese kabobs. This snack is not only delicious but also visually appealing, making it a hit for both kids and adults alike. First, gather your favorite fruits. Great options include strawberries, grapes, pineapple chunks, and melon balls. Wash and dry the fruits thoroughly and then cut them into bite-sized pieces if needed. Next, choose your favorite cheese. Cheddar, mozzarella, and Gouda work wonderfully for this snack. Cut the cheese into small cubes, roughly the same size as your fruit pieces. Now, it's time to assemble. Grab some wooden skewers or toothpicks and start threading the fruit and cheese pieces alternately. You can create a fun pattern or mix it up. The choice is yours. Once all your kebabs are assembled, arrange them on a platter for a colorful and inviting presentation. These fruit and cheese kebabs are perfect for parties, picnics, or just a quick snack at home. They offer a delightful combination of sweet and savory flavors that will satisfy your taste buds and keep you coming back for more. So there you have it, a fun and fancy snack that's as enjoyable to make as it is to eat. Let me know in the comments which fruit and cheese combinations you tried and how they turned out. Thanks for joining me on this snack adventure, and see you next time for more delicious ideas. Welcome back, snack enthusiasts! Our next snack is a timeless classic that's not only nutritious but also incredibly satisfying. Hummus and veggie sticks. This combo is perfect for any time of the day and is a great way to get your veggies in while enjoying a creamy, flavorful dip. First, let's talk about the veggies. You can use a variety of fresh vegetables such as carrots, cucumbers, bell peppers, and celery. Wash and peel your veggies if needed, then cut them into sticks or bite-sized pieces. The more colorful, the better. Next, let's move on to the hummus. You can either make your own hummus at home or use store-bought if you're short on time. To make your own, you'll need a can of chickpeas, tahini, lemon juice, garlic, olive oil, and a pinch of salt. Blend all the ingredients together until smooth and adjust the seasoning to taste. Now, arrange your veggie sticks on a platter and place a bowl of hummus in the center. You can even sprinkle some paprika or drizzle a bit of olive oil on top of the hummus for an extra touch of flavor and presentation. This hummus and veggie stick snack is not only delicious but also packed with nutrients, making it a perfect choice for a healthy and satisfying snack. It's great for parties, lunch boxes, or just a quick and easy snack at home. So there you have it, a classic combo that's sure to please everyone. Let me know in the comments which veggies you used and how you enjoyed this snack. Thanks for joining me on this snack adventure, and see you next time for more delicious ideas.